On the third day of our stay in Ho Chi Minh City, we set out to explore the city further. Our first stop was one of the city's most popular attractions. Têt Dan Market is one of the oldest and best-known markets in the city. It has been in existence since the 19th century, having been rebuilt several times following fires and renovations. Today, it is a bustling covered market where you can find souvenirs, clothing, art, spices, coffee, and street food. We happened to be in the city during Chinese New Year, known in Vietnam as the Têt Festival. Everywhere you look, people are wearing new traditional clothing, as this symbolizes a fresh start, good luck, and warding off negative energy. People then flock to the city's most iconic spots to have their photos taken. This modern tradition has clear cultural roots. Through these photos, people aim to capture prosperity and create memories. Chinese New Year is all about visiting family and spending time together. Taking photos is a way to celebrate and share that experience. Popular locations for these photos include Thanh Market, Nguyen Hue Flower Street, and Tao Dan Park, which we are now heading to. Covering around 10 hectares, this park is one of the largest and oldest in Ho Chi Minh City. Known as a green lung in the heart of the bustling city, home to over 1,000 trees, the park offers a peaceful spot for walking, exercising, and relaxing. During Tết, the park becomes one of the main venues for a flower festival in Ho Chi Minh City. Visitors can admire both native and imported flowers, as well as elaborate floral displays. From here, it's only a relatively short walk to the much quieter September 23rd Park, where you can relax for a while and observe the local people relaxing and exercising. This brings us seamlessly to Vien Walking Street. This is Ho Chi Minh City's most famous street for nightlife. During the day, it's just an ordinary street, but in the evening, it transforms into a car-free pedestrian zone. It is known for its vibrant nightlife, with large clubs, noisy bars, and street performances such as fire shows and live music. After all that walking, we're hungry, so we take a grab to the Koi Garden Coffee Bar. This popular, affordable coffee spot has a peaceful garden setting and a large koi pond. It's a great place to have lunch and take some atmospheric photos, or just enjoy the scenery. After enjoying a long, leisurely lunch, we head back to the Nguyen Hue Promenade. Here, we're simply enjoying the Vietnamese Têt Festival and letting ourselves be swept up in the festivities. It's the perfect end to our 3-day trip in Vietnam. To finish off the trip on a high, we had a late dinner at our favorite bistro around the corner from our hotel. It's a fantastic place and highly recommended. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel. Next, we're off to Singapore. There, we'll explore the green spaces of this metropolis.